how to choose your audio device in OBS. So for right now, I'm going to be using my microphone to record. That's what you're going to be seeing down here at the bottom for the audio device that I have currently set up in OBS. To change that, what I can go ahead and do is select the settings / gear icon right there. And then I can go ahead and select on properties. And then from here, it'll just go ahead and give you a list of all the microphones that you can select to use. So for the one that I'm currently using, I'm using my microphone 2-ATR USB microphone, and I'll go ahead and leave it at that, and I just hit OK. And you notice that it's still recording my voice. If I decide to change that to a different microphone, please note you won't be able to hear me here when I change this. Say I wanted to change it to a different microphone, I could go ahead and do that, of course. Change it back, and now you can of course hear me again. So that's how you change your audio device that you're using when using OBS.